Well, I would say huge haul from Maniology. Okay, I got a few things. Let's go over their foils first, because these I am oohing and eyeing over. Look at these foils. Oh my gosh. That like holographic. Some of them are rainbow and some of them are just the color, but also holographic. But like it doesn't necessarily change the color of the foil, you know? I'm literally mesmerized by these. Obsessed. This is a linear hollow, it looks like. Yeah. How fun are these? Like, look at this. So I'll show you these two, since they're both like holographic. So one is a linear and one is like a speckle glitter. Literally so ready to use these. And then I noticed they had a matte one too, so I actually asked them to send me this one as well, because I don't have any matte foils. I know that kind of sounds weird to say, but I think these would be super cool. I know we're moving into summer, so it's not quite the colors of the season, but I think adding, oh my God, like so here for it. And this kind of like dusty pink. I'm gonna get a ton of use out of these still. Also white, I think is really cool in a foil. So I think that's gonna be really cool. So they did just release these. I'll make sure to link everything below, and I'll link these directly so you guys can see which ones you want. They also just released some nail tips, and you guys know I'm still trying to like get into them and not be so stingy and like trying new things. And I just flipped it. So this one is the medium almond, which I thought personally for me this size would be best, because I would say I probably wear a medium length. I mean, literally, let's see, literally a medium length. Like, straight up, I knew that would be my size. And these, are they already prepped? Yes. So these are already prepped, so you don't have to prep them. They're already like rough on actually both sides. So if you're wanting to just go straight in with your gel polish or your stamping, okay. Okay. We're good here. And then these are the short almond, which actually probably work right now on my nails. Oh, I guess, oh no. Man down, that's fine. Let's wait for that to focus. There you go, short almond. Has a little bit more of a tip, so it's literally taking my current size nails and making them almond. So just taking in that side, because mine are more round, actually kind of terrible shaped at this point, but there you go. They asked which sizes I wanted. I wanted to do the medium and the short to see kind of more so the difference, because I know a lot of people like a sport length, which that would be more so the short. But I knew the medium would be like right up my alley, and I'm really excited to try these, like really excited. So again, they just released these and those foils. I also got some more stamping plates, and I'm thinking about doing a mermaid kind of set, so I asked for some mermaid ones. So this one is M005, because the reason, like, can we talk about this shell right here? Look at that shell. And then I thought like a cute accent nail with this, and like have it, I guess I'd probably do it on a longer one. Like, how cute would that be? And then literally could not have enough of this stuff. Like, everything is just cute on this plate. And then I also fell in love with these swirls. This is M357. And I just thought adding some swirls into it would also be super cute. So I like that they give you kind of like the full stamping plate swirls, and then they gave you the individual ones. Like, look at how cute this would be. Like that, maybe in green, and then build a flower on top of that. Like, I just think that would be super cute. So really excited for this one. And then this is my second mermaid plate that I asked for, and this is BM-XL211, and just super cute. I mean, you guys have seen me probably a couple times try to do the scales, just it doesn't work, okay? I'm gonna cheat, it's fine. Little sandcastle with the octopus, and then there are dolphins in here. Yeah, there you go. And a little school of fish. I just think this is such a cute plate. And the little crabby crab. So cute. Okay, so with that mermaid theme, I asked for this, there we go, this collection of stamping polishes, because I thought it would be really pretty to add. Like, look at how mesmerizing these are. Obsessed. So let me swatch them. Look at that. Like, if I had blue and I wanted to add the accent of like the scales I was talking about, these ones, or even the shell ones, yes. And then this one is like a yellow pinky. Like, look at that. So pretty. And then this one is more pink. Even just the glitter on this, I hope that showed up, but probably didn't. But these iridescent, you can really see them on the black. So I thought if I did like a kind of like a deeper, what's the word I'm looking for? Deeper mermaid look, it would just be, yes. So that was Moonbeam, and that was like a little set of these three. And then I also asked for some random colors because I figured they would be great with the mermaid because of all this glitter. Can you tell I'm like ready for glitter and sparkle and just bling? So this first one is Flicker. And this is your like hollow blue black. You can kind of see when I wiped it off. It's literally a blue black with this fine glitter. But like you can see it's kind of bleeding just a little. I don't even know if you can see it. Maybe on the white you can see that it's a little bit more blue. Or on here, because that is white. But it's definitely a blue black. I'm obsessed. Next up is Thriller, which this is like a purpley pink. Obviously purple, but a purpley pink holographic one. Look at that shift. Obsessed. And this is Black Magic, which is your black one, but this is like a super fine hollow. Super fine. So I'd like to thank Maniology for sending me this hefty package. When I was speaking to my rep, I asked for some foils because I had this really cool deep dimensional thing in mind, and then I was like, oh, but I also want to do a mermaid, and then they released the tips, so they were kind enough to send all of this to me, and I will make sure to link the individual items below along with my discount code because I am an affiliate with them, so I will make sure to link, again, everything below. So thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.